Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. If you're a gaming enthusiast or just curious about the latest tech developments, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring the latest shipping data and what it reveals about the production and potential release of the Nintendo Switch 2. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest gaming news. Let's start by looking at how monthly shipping data can provide valuable insights into Nintendo's manufacturing activities. This data shows the shipments between Nintendo and its manufacturers, giving us a glimpse into the production process. By analyzing these shipments, we can make educated guesses about what Nintendo is planning and when we might see new products hit the market. Now let's dive into the data from August, which shows a significant increase in components for the Nintendo Switch 2. According to the latest shipping data, there was a notable jump in the production of key components. For instance, 48,000 units of the T239 chip were manufactured in August alone. This is a substantial increase compared to the numbers from June and July. Similarly, the production of Switch 2 screens saw a significant rise, with 61,152 units produced in August. These increases strongly suggest that Nintendo is gearing up for full-scale production of the Switch 2. What does this surge in production mean? It indicates that Nintendo is likely preparing for a major release. The substantial increase in component manufacturing suggests that the company is getting ready to ramp up production, possibly aiming for a release in the first half of 2025. This aligns with the typical timeline for launching new gaming consoles, giving fans something exciting to look forward to in the coming months. Next, let's talk about how public shipping data shows that Nintendo is stockpiling components for the Switch 2. This data indicates that Nintendo is gathering all the necessary parts, hinting that assembly could begin very soon. In fact, full-scale manufacturing might be underway by October. This preparation phase is crucial as it ensures that Nintendo can meet the high demand expected for the new console upon its release. Data analysis and verification. It's important to note that while this data is available online, it requires careful analysis for verification. By comparing the current production timeline to that of the original Nintendo Switch in 2016, we can see a similar pattern. This comparison strengthens the likelihood of a release window in the first half of 2025. Analysts and enthusiasts are closely watching these trends to predict the exact launch date. Let's move on to the rumored release window for the Nintendo Switch 2. Based on the current data and production trends, rumors suggest that